If you're wondering whether your Samsung Galaxy A56 does have a memory card slot, so let's find it out together. First of all, let's grab our phone and let's inspect it. So we can find a SIM tray at the bottom and nothing at the top and nothing on the sides. All right, so let's try and open up our SIM tray. You shall use your SIM ejecting tool. However, if you don't have one, not a big deal. Find any object which is thin enough to fit here. It may be a needle or maybe straightened paper clips. So let's enter our SIM ejecting tool and let's grab our SIM tray. So what do we see here? Slot for SIM 1 and slot for SIM 2. And luckily, not a single sign of SD card slot, so the answer is gonna be negative. No, luckily this phone does not support an SD card. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.